Found an old shirt, faded band name, barely there. Coffee stain on the front, smell like long drives in summer air. We were so sure, plans drawn in pen, not in chalk. Laughing loud in the kitchen, shoes by the door from our late night walks. I still see it when I close my eyes. Receipts and Polaroids scattered in a pile, but I'm not reaching for a rewind, just for a little more time. Back then, right now, I can hold it in my hand somehow. Let the good days echo through the crowd. Back then, right now, I'm a little bit lost, a little bit found, when the past and the present hang out. Back then, right now. Past your old street, windows rolled down, humming along. Same trees, taller, guess they've been growing all along. Texting my drafts, words that I'll probably never send. Still I smile at the thought we made it this far, even if it's the end. Every memory is a gentle tide, comes and goes, but it's on my side. I'm not living in the rewind, just learning how to align. Back then, right now, I can hold it in my hand somehow. Let the good days echo through the crowd. Then, right now, I'm a little bit lost, a little bit found, when the past and the present hang out. All the almost, all the could have beens, they don't harm me, they just let the light in. I can miss you and be okay. I can grow and still feel the same. When your laughter drifts through this town, it just keeps my heart tuned loud.